Welcome to this market overview of the Iridium Crucibles Market. The global Iridium Crucibles Market was valued at USD 188.6 million in 2024 and is projected to reach USD 247.06 million by 2032, growing at a CAGR of 3.93%. Iridium crucibles are used in extreme high-temperature applications where purity, corrosion resistance, and thermal stability are essential. Market growth is being driven by rising demand for single crystal growth, semiconductor materials, and advanced research applications. Iridium crucibles are used for crystal growth at temperatures of up to around 2300 degrees Celsius, including sapphire and other high-melting oxides for optics, electronics, and laser technology. Data Horizon also notes that crystal growth accounts for over 55% of market demand, while the electronics industry represents about 45% of end-user demand. North America leads the market with USD 18.9 million in 2024, followed by Europe at USD 12.6 million and Asia Pacific at USD 11.8 million. Latin America accounts for USD 2.8 million, while the Middle East and Africa stands at USD 1.2 million. North America holds the largest share at around 40%, while Asia Pacific is expected to post the fastest growth. Regional growth is supported by strong research and semiconductor investment. In the United States, the CHIPS and Science Act allocates USD 52 billion for semiconductor capacity, while Europe's CHIPS Act has helped mobilize over EUR 80 billion in semiconductor investment. In Asia Pacific, growing crystal growth and electronics production continue to expand demand for iridium-based processing tools. To know more about our research services, visit www.verifiedmarketresearch.com or reach out to us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.